Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Google Earth and going straight to the location you want. This saves time and keeps focus. Once there, zoom until roads and blue lines appear because those indicate available street view coverage. Click Pegman or any blue marker to drop into Street View. You'll see a panoramic photo. This is where navigation starts. Make sure you're on the correct imagery date if needed, because different dates show different details. Now you'll refine movement and perspective so navigation feels effortless. Click the white arrows to hop from panorama to panorama and drag with your mouse or swipe to rotate the camera. Use arrow keys for precise turns. Press plus and to zoom in or out. Hold shift for quicker pans when covering long stretches. Toggle layers and photo view to layer user-contributed images or interior photos. This gives context. Finish by preserving and sharing the exact view you need. Click Share to copy a direct Street View link, or use Projects/Save to bookmark the spot with orientation for later reference. If you want to present a specific angle, position the camera, then copy the link so others see the same framing. If Street View won't load or shows gaps, switch imagery dates or refresh the map cache. Many problems clear by reloading or choosing a nearby panorama as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.